Virgo, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, all your way. It's the greatest healer of all time with the message that bad health is big business. And we're here to put them out of business because if we are what we eat, if we cheat, we must treat. So eat right. I need you to treat right. I need you on a massage bed at least twice a month. Open up that lymph system, decompress that nervous system. Stay away from crab. Stay away from shellfish, pork. It carries an energy that stays within your body for an 8-day period. You can't manifest beautiful manifestations of blessings off dirty energy. It's said that it stays in your body for about 8 days, but let's say we eat multiple dirty meals. We compound that 8-day cycle. And whatever we touch, whatever we sleep on, whatever we create, wherever we're intimate with, we pass that negative energy towards that. That's generational lack. That's a generational curse. And it needs to stop here. Stop cutting your hair. Stop cutting your beard. It's the outer representation of your nervous system. If you pull on it, it's quite specific when you find that sensation. So you wouldn't go and start cutting your nervous system because it's the outer representation because it's a representation of your electricity system, and we would short circuit. So as we short circuit ourselves on a nightly, weekly, monthly basis, mental illness is at an all-time high and age at an all-time low. We invest in our death. It's about time we invest into our health, guys. My beautiful, beautiful earth babies, my Virgos. You guys ready for your word of the day? It's time to take in that positive energy. Roll your eyes back. Breathe in that positive energy. Exhale all those negative thoughts. My earth babies, you guys have made it. You guys have been doing the work, and I know that you have been waiting, and you've been wondering when it's going to feel like your time has come to transform it. Do you feel it? Can you feel it? Have you been feeling different, but you didn't know what to call it, couldn't put your finger on it? Well, it is transformation. You guys have made it there. You guys have made it to stable ground. You understand that being an earthquake, you guys are sinking a lot of ships. You can crack the earth, but I find out that your transformation, you're finding out being emotionally sound, physically sound, is actually working for your benefit and turning you into the person that you know you are. I'm constantly evolving, and my Virgos are very observant. You guys always evolve knowingly or unknowingly. Mostly is knowingly because you guys know what's fake, what's real. You don't like to live in the facade of fake unless you want to waste time. But mostly our Virgos are not the type to want to waste our time. That's why I know you've been waiting for transformation. You've been waiting for your time to shine. You've been waiting for how many shots in the gym do I have to take before I get a starting position. You guys are now in the starting lineup. You're in the layup line. You guys have earned a chance. It's almost tip-off. Just make sure that you guys stay in this frequency and complete your transformation. Because we need you to be in that. If you're in the starting lineup, if you're in the game, you need to be your complete best because you're going to be playing against the pros. I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strengths. You guys don't cower from your strengths, Virgo. Sometimes you can be a little shaken. Sharpen those strengths. Sharpen your weaknesses. Take pride in them. Put a spin on them. Where if some other people will find a weakness, you place your perspective on where it is a strength. There's no weakness in you. For those that are in tune with themselves and understand how to navigate, how to rebuild themselves instead of tear down themselves, even though it might be a negative quality, those are the ones that's going to reign and manifest and transform into everything that you've been asking for, Virgo. Word for word. Life ensures I'm presented with situations that will help me learn and grow. That's so true, because life's a marathon. It's not a sprint. And it's clearly every day giving you a challenge to show that you have the strength to handle this life, because life doesn't get easier. My Virgos, you guys get stronger, and you guys always step up to the plate. I love it. I'm aware of the progress and open my wings to light. See, Virgos, you're not trusting to anything. You're so observant, you're not trusting of anything. I ask you, do you trust in Lord, God, Source, Light, Universe, Energy, whatever you like to call? Because your faith is going to unlock the rest of this transformation. You have to believe in something or you'll fall for anything, especially in this time. We're going from the 5 to the 3D, from the 3D to the 5D, guys. Virgo, you guys are in the front seat. You guys are in the know. You understand from this financial, spiritual, physical reset. You are in the game. Continue to transform. Continue to stay in the gym. Work on the qualities that you need to be a superstar, because you are a superstar. You have the potential, but do not find comfort in potential. We all have potential. Find your comfort in execution. I know my Virgos can definitely hear that. Positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, love, light, positive energy, goodwill to my Earth babies. I need you guys to eat right, treat right, because if we are what we eat, if we cheat, we must treat. Stay away from crabs, stay away from pork, stay away from shellfish. Stop short-circuiting ourselves by cutting our hairs with these haircuts that we take on a nightly, weekly, monthly basis, because all of these things add to our mental illness. It's at an all-time high, the age at an all-time low, and I find that is so alarming. So once again, guys, be the best version of yourself, because someone's watching you in the storm, and when their storm comes, they're going to manifest and they're going to believe, wow, if they can make that happen, I can do that or better. But if you shortchange yourself, someone may not even try. Be great. Love you guys.